All right, guys. Hopefully your day is going well. I just wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about today. Today is an important day when it comes to um, the Genius Project. We're jumping into checkpoint number 2, so I wanted to go through it, hopefully to give you all of the information that you need so that you can start and you can do well here. This document that I have is the first link in the Genius Project folder. We've looked at this before. It is an overview of the whole entire thing. So we have done checkpoint number 1 where you're planning and choosing your topic. Checkpoint 2, as you can see, is essentially just time for action. You've come up with your plan, and now is the time to do your plan. Whatever you decided you were going to make, whether it was a social media platform or a YouTube video, a website, Google Slides presentation, whatever the case was, now over the next 3 weeks is your time to do that. So you're going to create based on how things go. You might need to recreate, fine-tune things. You're going to get that creation out to your target audience so that they can see it, so that you can make that impact. Remember, that's the goal here, is to bring awareness to your problem, to your topic, and get it out to people so that they can see it and then interact with those people. This last bullet point, spreading your message, promoting your project, getting people to talk about it, share your thoughts, see what they think about it. Okay, so that's just the general outline for checkpoint 2. This next document that I'm going to show you is what you're going to turn in on the 15th of May. So this is checkpoint number 2. When you go to your upcoming, you'll see this assignment. You'll click on the link here. You'll make your own copy of this, and this is what you're going to turn in. Okay, so for the next 3 weeks, you're going to keep a weekly journal. Okay, I want you to show me what you've been doing each week for your Genius Project. All right, so since we've got 3 weeks, you're going to journal 3 times. So you're going to do this process 3 separate times during this checkpoint. Okay, so the easiest thing, in my opinion, to do is to take all these bullet points, copy them 3 separate times in this document, and then while you're doing checkpoint 2, week 1, fill them out. Okay, so right here in a different color, type in the day and the time that you're doing the journal. Okay, so if you do it all week, you do a little bit here and there, that's perfectly fine. Just write that you did it all that week. But if you did it on a particular day, write that day and time. Entry number, what I mean by that is it week 1 for checkpoint 1, or checkpoint 2, is it week 2 or week 3? So that's what you're going to put here. The next bullet point, what did you do that week? That's what this is all about. So give me a few sentences. It could be bullet points if you wanted to, as to the things that you did. So did you start your website? Did you come up with a script for your YouTube video? Did you do more research? And when it comes to research, if you do any, I need you to follow this format for every single resource that you find. Give me the name, copy and paste direct quotes, paraphrase, or put that into your own words. Why is that important? And then do your APA citations. Okay? During checkpoint 3, one of the things that you're going to share with us is how it went. How did your whole project go? So there's some data that I'd like you to collect and keep that here in checkpoint number 2 so that you can have it for checkpoint 3. Data would be like how many people viewed your blog post, or how many people watched your video, how many people liked or retweeted or whatever on your social media. Okay, so keep track of that throughout the weeks. Week 1, you might have 0. Okay. Otherwise, for the rest of this, you're just answering these questions. Are these the results that you expected? Please explain why or why not. How can you improve? Has your plan changed? And more than likely, it's going to change, and that's okay. What is your goal? How are you going to reach that goal? And then I do want to see evidence of what you've done. Okay? So if you typed an email out to an expert, okay, put that email in here. There was a little bit of confusion. For checkpoint 1, you didn't need to actually contact those experts. You just needed to find them and figure out how you're going to talk to them. Okay, so this is during checkpoint 2 where you're going to act on that and you're going to email or call or whatever those experts. Okay, so I want to see evidence of you doing stuff here. So screenshots, links to your social media, whatever the case is. Okay, so you'll do that 3 times. Okay, if you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, for the day today, the only thing that's left is to take a look at some water cycle. Hopefully the water cycle is review. You're going to go to your upcoming, take a look at this right here, open this up. I've got a notes sheet for you to fill out, or 2 pages. So bring that over to Notability. And then from there, watch the video, and you should be good for the day. Okay, as always, let me know if you have questions, and then we'll see you guys hopefully soon.